the St. Regis Residences in Boston, Massachusetts. We're here today in the Seaport District, touring one of the final remaining penthouses for sale directly from the developer, now offered at just under $8 million. I'm going to take you through this home in detail, telling you everything you need to know about living here, from the features to the finishes, location, building. Then we're going to head downstairs and take a look at the beautiful amenity package. By the end of this video, you should have a very clear understanding of what a day in the life of a resident looks like at the St. Regis Residences, what it's like living in one of Boston's most premier addresses. My name is Charlie Smith. I'm a Boston real estate agent, and I work with people from all over looking to buy in the city and surrounding suburbs. I specialize in luxury properties as well as new construction, but I do work in all price points. So if you're in the market to buy a home, give me a call. I'd love to hear from you and see if it would be a fit working together. With that said, let's begin our tour of Penthouse 2C at the St. Regis Residences in Boston Seaport District. One of the reasons I really like this building is that every unit here has a traditional foyer that you'd find in a single family home, but we're here obviously in an urban setting. So as we pass through, we end up in the main living space. This home consists of 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, 1 half bathroom, a den, and is spread across just under 2,600 square feet of living space. Also included with this offering are 2 deeded valet garage parking spaces directly beneath. Now, we're on the 22nd floor here at the St. Regis Residences. This is the penthouse level. When you step in, you can immediately feel the scale of this home. We're in the core living space of the home where we have your kitchen, dining room, and living room. The highlight here are these beautiful views, massive floor-to-ceiling windows of Boston Harbor, and I'm going to get into a lot more detail on that soon. When you enter, you pass through the foyer, and you arrive in your living space. Of course, this home is open concept, so there's a ton of different ways that you could configure this room. I've seen people have their dining room here and move their living room to the other space. I've seen people take down walls to combine a bedroom with the main living space to make a huge living room. You know, there's a bunch of different ways to customize. It's really your canvas for you to get creative. As you can see, the home is currently staged, very well done, and it can actually be purchased with all the furnishings included, so you can move right in. To give some context on the building, the St. Regis was built in 2023. It's home to 114 residences, and on the bottom floor is a restaurant which is currently occupied by Savor, an American bistro and seafood restaurant, where residents benefit from priority reservations as well as direct-to-door catering. The building is branded by the St. Regis name and has St. Regis hotel trained staff, but it's residential only, so there's no hotel component here. It's just the residences and the restaurant below. Now, I personally really love this building. I remember visiting the sales center in 2021 before the project had even broken ground and being blown away by the concept, the architecture, the residences, the location. And now that it's completed, I'm frequently here with clients, and it's always a treat to be able to come by. It's actually a pretty unique building. You have the architecture where the facade looks like a ship setting sail, and also the fact that it's one of only 5 residential buildings directly on the Seaport waterfront. Let's head into the kitchen now, and this is really a chef's powerhouse. It's one of the first things that you see when you walk into the home. I feel like you're either drawn to the views or you're drawn to this beautiful kitchen. The centerpiece of the kitchen is this massive island where you can have your guests wait as you prepare a meal. You can have quick drinks here. There's seating for 4 or 5. On top is this beautiful marble with a waterfall edge that cascades down to the floor. The same stone is used on the counters, which is book matched with the backsplash. To complement that stone are these beautiful cabinets. This is custom Italian cabinetry made specifically for this unit. There's no hardware, so you either pull from beneath or it's a push to open. These are built out very well, and everything just ties together so well in this space. Appliance-wise, you have top-of-the-line Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances. Starting here, 5-burner gas range, fully vented out, and you can tell it's Wolf from the iconic red knobs. This is super rare to get, in new construction in a time where pretty much all new construction has induction or electric cooking. Over here is your oven and speed oven, also by Wolf. Then beneath the island is a Cove dishwasher, as well as additional storage. And right behind you, we have the fridge and freezer. Here is your fridge, beautifully paneled into that Italian cabinetry. Then your Sub-Zero wine cooler, full height. This is the tallest model that Sub-Zero makes and can accommodate up to 150 bottles of wine. Right next to that is your freezer. So you have plenty of space if you have a large family, you have a bunch of people over, and you need the space. Now let's transition right into your dining room here. This table can seat 8 people. You could fit a larger table if you need it. You could fit a smaller table, however you want to set up the space. The kitchen is right there, so food comes out super quickly, and as your guests are waiting, they can look over and enjoy these beautiful Boston Harbor views. All right, so in terms of views, we look over Boston Harbor, of course. In the distance, you'll see East Boston, all the way out to the Harbor Islands. This is east and south facing. And one of the reasons people love this building is because you have magnificent views of Logan Airport. You'll see planes arriving and departing pretty much constantly from here. At night, it looks super cool to see them landing and taking off. And this is an active harbor, so all the time you'll see ships passing by and people walking along the harbor walk below. It's always super active, but you're 22 stories high. There's no noise, you're tucked away, and it's just so cool to see these views. Another really cool feature is this automated window opening system. This is called Airlux. It's a Swiss company, and they made their debut in the US with this building. So all you need to do is press this button, and this window slides open, pretty much extending your living space outside. Now let's head into the primary suite. One of the reasons this is so nice is because your primary suite is here, you have the living space in between, and then you have your 2 additional bedrooms on the other side, giving you plenty of separation. One of the things you first notice are the high ceilings and massive floor-to-ceiling window. Right behind the bed is this green organic wall covering that adds texture and character to the room. The bed here is a California king size with 2 nightstands on either side, 2 chairs, a little sitting area for you to enjoy before getting your day started. You also look over Boston Harbor and Logan Airport from here. Really nice experience, and it's a space that you enjoy coming home to at the end of a long day. We'll head right this way into a hallway, and firstly we have a walk-in closet here. Then we continue through this hallway, 2 additional closets on either side. Then we're in your beautiful spa-like primary ensuite bathroom. First thing you notice is the floor-to-ceiling marble, your egg-shaped soaking tub. This is a 4-fixture bathroom with the highest quality materials and finishes. Right here is your beautiful floating double vanity, where above you have a backlit LED mirror. All of the bathroom floors in this home have radiant heated flooring. Behind me is your frameless glass walk-in shower. You have a rain head fixture, handheld fixture, carved in niche. Then tucked away, covered by this frosted glass, is your water closet. Very spacious room, very elegant. Every detail has been considered. Now follow me. I'm going to show you the remaining bedrooms and bathrooms here at Penthouse 2C. As we head over there, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the neighborhood. We're directly on Boston Harbor. You have immediate access to the Harbor Walk right outside the building. You can walk, run, or bike for miles along the waterfront here. The building is surrounded by restaurants, coffee shops, bars, fitness studios, and retail. It seems like every week there's a new restaurant or entertainment venue popping up here. We're close to Fan Pier, Fort Point, the ICA, as well as the Financial District in downtown Boston, really just minutes away by foot. South Station and Logan Airport are also super close by, which make it great for someone who does a lot of traveling or is planning to use this residence as a pied-à-terre. The Seaport District is one of the most active neighborhoods in Boston, but what's nice about this building is you're further into the Seaport on Seaport Boulevard, so you're tucked away from the hustle and bustle of the Seaport. And this is your second bedroom. This is bedroom number 2 of 3. It has its own ensuite bathroom, beautiful single floating vanity, again, marble on the floors and walls with a frameless glass walk-in shower. Then we head this way, and this is currently staged as a kid's room, 2 beds here, beautiful views of the harbor and harbor walk below, as well as a full closet, high ceilings. On the floors is this beautiful dark oak hardwood that gives off kind of a moody feel, and it's a different vibe than what you get in the other new construction buildings in Boston where you have, a lighter floor. I think it works very well with the ocean views and the rest of the finishes throughout the home. Now let's head into the remaining bedroom as well as the den. As we do that, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the services here at the St. Regis Residences. One of the biggest benefits of living here is the personalized service provided to every resident. You have 24-hour concierge, so whether you need dinner reservations, transportation, theater tickets, or recommendations throughout the city, the team is really always available to assist you. The building also has 24-hour valet parking, making it extremely easy to arrive home, leave for work, or have a car brought around for guests. Residents benefit from dedicated St. Regis butler service, which can assist with everything from unpacking luggage and organizing deliveries to preparing the residence before you arrive home. Pricing-wise, the residence is offered at $7,995,000 with a monthly HOA fee of $5,900 a month. Your HOA fee covers everything except for electricity and Wi-Fi. In the foyer, on my right here is your half bathroom. This is the bathroom that your guests would use, and it's nice that it's in the foyer because your guests can use the bathroom before they enter into the main living space. Then on the left is the third bedroom. This also has its own ensuite, and actually every room here has its own temperature control on a Nest smart thermostat system. Right here is your full bathroom. This has a tub shower combination, the same floor to ceiling marble, single floating vanity with a backlit LED mirror. And this is the bedroom. This will fit a queen or king size bed, 2 nightstands, a little sitting area. Not the best views, but this could work well as a home office or as a guest room. It does have its own closets, one here and one right by the entryway. Follow me this way, back out into the foyer. To my right, this is your den space. Additional storage right here. On my left is your laundry, side-by-side unit with additional storage. And this is the den space. I've seen a lot of owners use this as a media viewing space. So they'll put a TV here and kind of make it like a movie theater. You could use it as a home office as it's currently staged. But given there's no window, I think it's much better to use this as a TV room or even a playroom. And that concludes our tour of the residence. And now follow me and I'm going to take you downstairs to the beautiful St. Regis amenity package. I'll see you down there. We're now on the 4th floor of the St. Regis, the amenity level, where we have around 15,000 square feet dedicated solely to resident amenities. We'll begin with a beautiful infinity edge pool, a relaxing retreat right over Boston Harbor. The sliding window wall can open right up, making it feel like you're floating above the water. In this pool room, we also have lounging chairs, a hot tub, as well as a sauna and a steam room. The pool, of course, is open year-round, and it's a great place for residents to unwind, relax, and enjoy a resort-like atmosphere. Just to remind you, all the amenities here are for residents and their guests only. We then head out the hall and arrive at the spa, where the concierge can book treatments for you. Whether that's skincare or a massage, super cool to have this available at any time. Next, we arrive in the gym, open 24 hours a day, looking over Seaport Blvd. Equipped with cardio machines, free weights, reformers, everything you need to have a great workout. This is another space where the concierge can help out by booking personal trainers for you. Right next to the gym, a super unique amenity are the 2 guest suites, which can be reserved for residence guests at a reasonable rate, perfect if you're having people stay with you. Heading to the other side, we arrive in the Grand Lounge, great for getting work done, throwing events or parties, and hanging out with your fellow residents. Here, there's a full kitchen, full-service coffee machine, TVs, sitting areas, and even a boardroom. Tucked behind the lounge, completing the amenity experience, is a game room with a poker table, as well as a golf simulator with great views looking out over the harbor. That's a wrap on the amenities, and I'll see you back in the unit to finish up our tour today. And that concludes our tour of Penthouse 2C at the St. Regis Residences. This is a home for someone looking for a full-service living experience right on the water in one of Boston's most popular neighborhoods. The St. Regis delivers a highly exclusive living experience with homes that work well as full-time city residences or pied-à-terres. No matter how you choose to use the residence, you have the privacy of your own home combined with the convenience, service, and amenities of a world-class hotel. From the panoramic harbor views and beautiful interior to the waterfront location, this is one of the finest homes for sale in the Seaport. If you would like to tour this building or any other luxury building in Boston, I'd love to hear from you. My contact information can be found directly below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate, luxury homes, and property tours.